Let me close with this. Our problems at the border didn't arise overnight and they're not going to be solved overnight. It's a difficult problem. It's clear that immigration is a political issue that extreme Republicans are always going to run on. But now they have a choice. They can keep using immigration to try to score political points, or they can help solve the problem. They can help solve the problem and come together to fix the broken system. Before Congress adjourned for the holidays, some Democrats and Republicans, a few of them, got together, both sides up in the Senate, and decided they were going to put together a comprehensive plan on immigration. But the Republican leadership and other Republicans, I don't know who did it, rebuked it and rejected it out of hand. It broke up. Just like they rejected my plan 2 years ago. Just like they rejected my recent request for an additional $3.5 billion to secure and manage the border with more holding facilities, better transportation, additional funding for 2,000 new asylum officers and personnel, 100 new immigration judges to more rapidly adjudicate for people when they come here, and how much, and so much more. Think about it. I mean, if this were something, if we had to have 100 more immigration officers to see to it that we're able to import something we needed very badly, it wouldn't take very much time to get it, would it? It'd be real done. Or conversely, if there are criminal gangs coming into the nation, or but when it comes to immigration, it seems like it's a better issue for them than trying to solve it. Look, we need more resources to secure the border. Yet again, extreme Republicans have said no. Many Republicans agree we should do something. But it's time to stop listening to their inflammatory talk. And it's time to look at their record. As I've always done when I'll sit down with anyone who in good faith wants to fix our broken immigration system. And it's hard. It's hard on the best of circumstances. But if the most extreme Republicans continue to demagogue this issue and reject solutions, I'm left with only one choice: to act on my own, do as much as I can on my own to try to change the atmosphere.
Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. Direct deposits will be made in just a few days. Lawmakers have confirmed that many low-income households can expect to receive an extra $100 a month in benefit. Also, Congress has allocated billions of dollars towards inflation relief programs. My friends, please do me a big favor and watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive monthly benefit checks. Also, to say thank you for being part of this community, I will be giving away 2 $75 Walmart gift cards next Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do, my friends, is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances, my friends, of winning these giveaways. Now, friends, the landscape of U.S. benefits at both federal and state level was completely changed in the wake of the crisis, as millions of families were plunged into poverty or saw their earnings drop dramatically. That led to the United States government creating an array of stimulus packages for every state that could be distributed to the population to help keep people and businesses afloat. Virginia's SNAP program has received federal approval to release emergency benefits to all eligible households in the month of January, and this is according to the Virginia Department of Social Services. The enhanced benefits are scheduled to be automatically loaded to recipients' electronic benefit transfer cards on January 16th, 2023, and these payments may be worth over $1,000. The enhanced SNAP benefit is made available through a public health emergency declaration that requires government agencies to request an extension of emergency allotment issuance on a month-to-month basis. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has also announced that the Texas Health and Human Services Commission is providing more than $344 million in emergency SNAP food benefits for the month of January. The allotments are expected to help about 1.6 million Texas households. Governor Greg Abbott has recently told reporters, "As we enter the new year, we are proud to continue supporting Texans through the extension of the emergency SNAP benefits. Texans across the state will be able to access healthy food to take care of their families and loved ones. So friends, all SNAP households will receive a minimum of $95 in emergency allotments. This additional emergency allotment should appear in recipients' accounts by January 31st, 2023. America's employers added a solid 223,000 jobs during the month of December. It is an evidence that the economy remains very healthy, even as the Federal Reserve is rapidly raising interest rates to slow economic growth and the pace of hiring. The Labor Department said this week that with companies continuing to add jobs across the economy, the unemployment rate fell from 3.6% to 3.5%, matching a 53-year low. The December jobs report suggested that the labor market may be cooling in a way that could aid the Fed's fight against high inflation. Last month's gain was the smallest in 2 years, and it extended a hiring slowdown that began last year. Average hourly pay growth eased to its slowest pace in 16 months. That slowdown could reduce pressure on employers to raise prices to offset their higher labor costs. Other recent data also points to a cooling economy. A measure of business activity in services, including finance, restaurants, and transportation, contracted in December for the first time since 2020. A similar measure for manufacturing also shrank last month, and a near doubling of mortgage rates this year has sent home sales tumbling for 10 straight months. Many economists still foresee a recession in the second half of this year, a consequence of the Fed's succession of sharp rate hikes. The central bank's officials have projected that those increases will cause the unemployment rate to reach 4.6% by year's end. Though the Fed's higher rates have begun to cool inflation from its summer peak, they've also made mortgages, auto loans, and other consumer and business borrowing much more expensive. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has emphasized in recent remarks that consistently strong job growth, which can force employers to raise pay to find and keep workers, can perpetuate inflation. This is because companies often raise prices to pass on their higher labor costs to their customers, and higher pay typically fuels more consumer spending, which can keep inflation elevated. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that our economy is headed into a recession? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Sunday morning. Thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. To say thank you, I will be giving away 2 $75 Walmart gift cards this coming Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do, my friends, is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances, my friends, of winning these giveaways. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and very blessed Sunday.